Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our product title is Detection of Superpoints using a Vector Bloom Filter. Now we are going to discuss about our product abstract. Our main propose a novel data streaming method of detection superpoints and prove the guarantees on its accuracy with the low memory requirements. The superior performance of this method comes from a new data structure called vector Bloom filters. We are going to using the new algorithm for vector Bloom filters, which is a variant of standard BF. The VBF consists of 6 hash functions. The corresponding value, respectively the information of the superpoints, is obtained by using the overlapping of hash bit string of the VBF. The superpoints can be divided into the super source and super destinations. Finding the super destination is the analog of the finding the super source. The proposed algorithm describes only for that identify the super source. The number of destinations conducted by a host is called the coordinations the host. The superpoint source is host the high guaranteed within the short times. The naive method for the finding superpoints is to track the all destination that each source conduct using the hash tables. And then the solving problem and detection super source and destinations. In this detection superpoints in the link speed and high speed networks adapts in the low sampling rate will lead the performance accuracy. Data streaming method can be also used to the detection superpoints. Meanwhile, the model storing the IP address must take the operator to store the lookup the interable problems. We can to solve the main we can retrieve our filtering the process the data stream. The hash functions is designed based on the models of the integral, and thus some large integral may generate in the process is reconstructs the IP address, thus the computational process. Now we are going to discuss about our product flow diagram. So first of all, we are create the browse the DNS data sentence of the dataset values, and then we have to go to the store the all values. This process we are using the input the process in MATLAB 2013, and then we are going to calculate the corresponding integer values. So we are one structure of the database. We are collecting some directing the some super points only. So this is a process we are going to do statics and traffic the classification or essentials or not network accounting and the building process in the service professions of security. So this process we are going to the using the database, and then collect the and select the super points nodes only. And then we also with the process we are using the MATLAB 2013 software, and then we are applying the process vector Bloom filter process, and then apply the vector Bloom filters parallel architectures, and then we have the hash values input sequence, and then with these error detections and the error detect and the error finding the process and the error corrections of the methods. So these process we are using in the Xilinx software. So these vector Bloom filter process algorithms is written built in the text sequence and calculate the parity functions if the conditions is better the inversions of the logics and request the process. So we have some data, we have get the super points, we can find out the destination and the source. The super points can be divided into super source and the super destinations. Find the super destination is the analog of the finding super source. So the flow can meeting the per flow states requires a large quantities of the DRAMs of operations. This is the monitoring of the high speed link this process. Finally the simulation results we recently subsequently attaining the paid of the solving the problem detection super source and destinations. The sampling provides of wave detection superpoints. They keep up the link speed and is link high speed networks the process. Now we are going to discuss about our product running procedure. So this is our process codings. This is a M file for MATLAB coding, and this is a XSAC file for silence coding. So first of all, you are get the input file. So we are running the M file for MATLAB. So this is a file. Just we have to get the input from the database, the text value, and we are open the in sequence value. And then we open the open for the silence coding for that DM file. How to we are filtering the process Bloom filter using the vector Bloom filter. We are using the processing the all coding only for purpose for the how to we rectify get the file and the text the file for in sequence text. So the database some letters text here. We have some open in sequence text file we have stored and get the process integer values. So I am going to the running process, running this process. Give the this is the database 16 slides text files, and any one file will give the select the one file text. Process is going, then automatically the silence file is open like a DM file. So this is the silence tool open, and then just we have to run the process. So this is the main file for process. I am going to the simulate the process, the simulate the behavioral model simulations, and double the process. The process is running. So automatically the iSimulate will open. So just we have give the input and they get the data process. Now I'm going to click clock, give the clock, the first clock, and zeros value, leading edge value is 0, so 1, and the period 1000 nanoseconds. Apply and OK. Just run it and run it. Just zoom here, split the process. How to output values for we are give us some database, some most of the letters we have rectify, so we get the values for some text values, and so this is the vector Bloom filter process. So this we are using the security purpose. We are using the source and destinations. Source is we are giving the database text values, and then we have convert to the text values, and then we have write the values from the here.